Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring drivers and core libraries are present. This prevents runtime failures. Next, install Sway plus common utilities, Mako, Swabe, a terminal, and WL routes, so you have sound defaults. Once done, create your /. Config/sway folder and pull the example config into it. That gives you key binding and output defaults to edit. Make sure compositor optional pieces like Xwayland are installed if you need X11 apps. This initial step gets you from nothing to a runnable config quickly. You now edit the Sway config to match your hardware and workflow because defaults rarely fit. Set output names and scale, or DPI, so fonts and UI are sized correctly. Then define key bindings for launching your terminal and web browser. Next, configure input. Enable touchpad tap-to-click and sensible acceleration, and set your keyboard layout. Once done, create workspace-to-app mappings and floating rules so dialogues and media players behave predictably. These precise tweaks make Sway both usable and efficient for daily work. You finish by wiring startup and session handling so Sway launches smoothly. Add auto-start entries for background services, network, notification daemon, and wallpaper process inside your config. Then ensure your login manager exposes a Sway session or enable Sway via a TTY start script. If something goes wrong, inspect Sway logs in your home directory and switch to a TTY to restart or revert config. As a troubleshooting tip, comment recent config changes to isolate the issue because a single type.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.